Hi, morning everyone. Richard here. Currently, I'm at a very nice location. This is the Colony Boulevard, Colony Star Boulevard in KLCC area. This is a beautiful place. I'll show you around a while. I'm here for the Sony event. So this is a very unique event. They have a fashion model with some fashion clothes by Beatrice Looi. It's a fashion designer, local fashion designer, which is quite popular here. And they have a Sony hands-on event with the A7R 5, right? So I'm here for this event and to get my hands on the A7R 5, and hopefully I can get hold of a nice lens because this is a fashion shoot environment, and it's not outdoor, so it's indoor. So hopefully I can get some nice shots and share it with y'all. This beautiful new camera, 61 megapixel, and with the AI chip for better human subject detection as well as facial eye detection. And I'm very interested to test it out and see how it comes out. So I'll see you in a while. I'll just walk around here. I'll show you this place, and then we'll go to the event because I'm very early. As usual, I'm kiasu. So I'll just walk around and show you this place. So this is the building where we're in. You can see outdoor. The sun is up already. We're nearby KLCC. This is another area. This is at Yap Kwan Sing. And you can see the walls are very nicely decorated. And this is a very fancy place for events. You can see beautiful place. Right, so they're doing cleaning up now for the event, and the event is inside. So you can see that they're setting it up inside and doing some rehearsals before the participants come. So beautiful place. So we will go in once they're ready. So I'll get my hands on here at the 7R5. Hopefully we get some nice shots and I'll share it with you. So this is the A7R5, and all the lens are there. So we will test out and catwalk. So you can have that. So everyone's got a chance to test it out.
So this is with the head, with the face alone. And right now we're going to put on with the head and also the sunglasses. Okay, to give a bit more challenge to the camera. Okay. As you know, you're adding more elements to the frame and the camera. So you can see already, you can recognize the face, you see the square box, and then as soon as my friend, colleague, press on the shutter, you can track the eyeball. Same thing, we'll ask Jolene to do a walk in. Okay, and then come. So it's able to track. So it's only holding down the shutter, okay, holding down. Okay, now it still recognizes the eyeball so far away, and then you can slowly come back again. Yeah, so that is the new tracking mechanism. Okay, let's say we do a pose here looking at the camera. Okay, head chin up a bit. Yeah, all right, there, you take a photo. So let's see right there, catch up, focus. Okay, so this is how good it is with the AI tracking mechanism. So last one we're going to ask us to do is to ask her to put on the mask. Yep. So this is what we are doing right now, because everywhere we go now we are wearing a mask most of the time. So we are giving more challenge to the camera, whether it actually can track. So we have the head with the sunglasses, okay? So the camera is still able to track that even though there's a mask on. Okay, because this is how crazy it is right now with the new AI autofocus, with the new AI processor. So you can see it just tracks right there. So it still focus on the eye. Okay, so this is the new developed AI processor. This is something that we never had before in our Alpha family.
My head is spinning around, think I need a new one. My mind is drifting away, and I'm on the backseat of my own life. I don't wanna be like everybody carried by the sea. Sinking begging you to stay. Can you hear the sound of my heart beating for you, beating for a change?
Very sharp on the eyes. Look at that. Yeah, very eyes. Down a bit. Okay, just finished the events on the Sony A7R5. Wonderful. They have very beautiful models from Beatrice Looi collection, and the camera was fantastic good. Right on the eyes, the lenses and the camera pairing, especially on the 50mm, very tight sharp on the eyes. This camera is 61 megapixels, so you really can crop in all the way. So even if you're using a single 50mm lens, or even a shorter lens, you still can crop into the face and get a nice exposure and tight sharp eyes. So the good thing about this AI, it really tracks the eye, so makes very easy for model shoots, event shoots, right? So wedding shoots as well if you're a wedding photographer. So beautiful thing, nice camera. So we'll have a look at the photos if you like it, and do give me a thumbs up if you follow me on my next video. Hopefully I get more events to go to since now it's open. I'll see you again. Bye.
The sound of my soul calling out your